Hi guys, it's me, Elle today, and the first thing I want to say is sorry if you hear any noise in the background, but basically I'm so excited because I got my slime package. I've been waiting ages for this, and it came in a cute package with a neon, so I'm guessing she bought that or maybe just had it. But yeah, it came with a letter, but I took it out because it was on top of it when I was going like that. I didn't want it to like anyway, so it came with this letter, and it says, "Hope you enjoyed your slime." I'll show you it. Got cute little like sprinkles on. Hope you enjoyed the slime. No complaints or refunds from Lily. So I guess I'm okay with no complaints or refunds. It kind of sounds a bit like, but I guess I can understand because like she's got what slime orders and blah blah blah. Anyway, so let's get straight into this. So first I ordered a full tub of glitter for $2. So I'm guessing that's here. So the first thing I want to say about this, it's not full. It's been used. It's not really glitter, it's more flakes. But I guess it's okay for $2. I mean, I did want it full, but I've got it now. So that was the first thing. The second thing was a full tub of glue for $2. So I'm guessing that's here. It's not really full. And it's been used. Ew. Gross. It's all in a lid. I don't know if it's because of shipping, but I guess it's okay. I mean, $2 was not off to a great start. So Play-Doh for $3. Yeah, full tub. Right, so I'm guessing this is its soft stuff. It's blue, my favourite colour. But that's it. Sorry about that, my brother came in. But I asked for a full tub, and that's all. I mean, it's really nice, but I paid $3 for this. $3 for that. I mean, it's just like normal Play-Doh. Or soft Play-Doh. But why am I selling it? But for that, yeah. Oh yeah, sorry, I didn't pay $3 for this. I paid $1 for this. I got mixed up with the other one. So I paid $1 for this. Wait, no. $3. I did pay $3 for this. Wait, let me have a look. Play-Doh $3. Yeah, I did pay $3 for this then. I was confused. So next is small Play-Doh for £1. So that's why I got confused. So now small Play-Doh for £1. Let me find it. Oh, here it is. So this is my soft Play-Doh. It says Spark. Guess that's what they call it. This was $1. Ooh, this is actually quite nice. I'm actually quite impressed with this. I mean, it's quite hard, but it's alright for $1. And it comes with quite a bit for $1. So that's a good, very glittery. But I really like that. Oh yeah, has some more in as well. That's really good. So I'm happy about that. Not a full container, but it's still, I did ask for a full container, but yeah. So now I've asked for a yellow jiggly slime for $5. A large one. So this is it. this looks like they've bought it. I mean, it looks like it's stuff that you buy. So I don't think on the package it said homemade slimes, but this is like store-bought, which I'm not complaining about, but they said on the thing. It's definitely jiggly. I quite like this one. This is quite good, but for $5, seriously, I guess it could be bought. And it does leave like a yellow stain on your hands. The camera really picking it up, and it's kind of wet. Like, do you know how you think jiggly slimes are wet, but when you touch them, they're not? That is the complete opposite. That is wet. Ew. So, for $5, I mean, come on. I think I've been scammed. Because, so, black jiggly slime for $3. Find it. Oh, found it. Yeah, this is a small, because it's small, obviously. It's like $3. But it's a bit small. I said small, but I didn't think it'd be this small for $3. But this is the same consistency and the exact same tub. So I think she bought these, which I'm kind of bummed about because I quite like homemade slime. I mean, it's not a bad slime. This one's better than the other one, but yeah, it kind of is it's a bit sticky. But yeah, and it's kind of small. But yeah, the next thing I bought was orange slime, $2. So the only orange slime I can see is this Prankster Noise Putter, which is also store-bought, because I actually already have some of this. And it's not worth $2. Like, that isn't slime. It doesn't even like poke, and it just hold on, just like rips off. And once you've ripped it, it doesn't really go back together. See, but I'm not happy with that. For $2, seriously. Oh God, see, it's going everywhere. It's just a bit of gunk. It doesn't even make that nice. But yes. But the next thing I bought, so far not good. So the next thing I bought was Airwick for $3. I can't see any Airwick. Oh yeah, I've already shown you this. All I can see is shaving foam. There's barely any in it. It's like all watery. Ew, that's gross. That is not shit. Ew. What even is that? It's like out of date. There's like barely anything in it. It's all watery. That's... What the hell? I paid $3 for that. And I bought Airwick, not this. House shaving foam Airwick. What the hell? So far, I'm not pleased at all. So next I bought blue slime for $3. So, oh my word. It's another store-bought slime because it's from Hobby World. But I paid $3 for this. That's all. I mean, it's quite good slime, but it kind of rips and all the foam beads just come out of it. I mean, it's quite good, but for $3, oh my word. Don't buy from this. I'll leave the name in the link below, but don't buy from them. Can't quite remember the name. But, I think it's something like Lily_slime shop or something. I can't quite remember it. I'll leave the link below. But the last thing I bought was pink slime for $1. Oh my word. This is like the biggest tub, but ew. What even is this? It's like, it feels like tissue. Oh, it stinks. It smells like out of date cheese or something. Oh, I'm gonna throw that. Oh, even though it was $1, that's the worst one. Oh, it stinks. And then, oh, it looks like some extras, which I'm quite pleased about. Oh, these extras look really good. So I guess she felt bad for all the really bad slimes and stuff. So she gave me some extras. Oh, I've always wanted one of these. It's a fidget cube. And it's Galaxy. I really wanted Galaxy. And it's real. It seems to all be working. So I'm really pleased about that. Oh, some peppermint lip balm. I'm quite pleased about that. It's a really nice container. Smells good, but I'm not going to use it because it looks used, but still okay, I guess. Oops. Oh, sick. I'm seeing the unicorn stress ball. Oh, and I'm right. It's looks like the horn's broken off and it's kind of defected. And it's barely even squishy. You have to press really hard. But I guess it was an extra, so there's nothing really to moan about. Oh, this is cute, like a little bottle of glitter. I don't think it can open. No, it can't, but it's really cute. And then a unicorn box with nothing in it. Okay. Oh wait, I think this ring was in it. Well, that ring's quite cute. Does it fit me? Oh, it fits me too. I'm gonna wear that. But I guess it was a okay extra. But I'm quite disappointed. I won't go buy from this person. This is slime. This is homemade slime as well. Well, it's not really slime, this is more of a put. But this is better, and it pokes. And at least I can actually stretch. It might not be the best putty / slime, but that's at least it stretches. None of them stretch. I think I've been scammed. Not happy. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment down below what other videos you'd like me to do. But I'm not happy. But yeah. Bye guys.